Guess what's on my head? It's a crown. Let's see how to make one. Hi guys, let's see how to make a crown. Let's start with a square paper and we take this flap and fold it diagonally into half. We open the flap and we take this edge from the center line, we crease like this. We do the same on the other side. Now you should have this, something that looks like a kite. Now we take this edge and to this line we crease. We take this flap and till this point we crease it. Our model should look like this. Now we turn and we see this, right? We press it and fold it. So we have a piece. Let's do it one more time. We fold in the center and crease. We take this flap till the center line, we crease it. Same with this side. Now this flap, we crease till this line. Then we take this one and crease. Our model should look like this. Now we take this flap and from this till this line we crease. Now we have something like this. We turn, see this line in the middle, we press it and we have one piece. We make 7 more of these and we will assemble them. Now we have 8 pieces. Let us take 2 of these. We turn them and you see this flap here? You need to put this one inside it like this. Today I am going to use glue, but you can always keep it only like this. So we have to put glue here and here. We take glue, put just as much as you need and not too much, and here you insert it like this. We take another piece and let's first put the glue. And we join. We have done 7 pieces now. Let us join the 8th. So let's put the glue. So for this piece we need to do it on both sides. So we put it on one side and we join these two. So we'll put glue here. And we join this. And voila, our crown is ready. Thank you for watching our video.